Morning, guys. We're in the boneyard today. We're going to do a trunnion upgrade. I like to do this outside because when pressing these apart, you have rollers everywhere. And I don't really want them in the shop. If I had a press set up, it'd probably be better. So I'm using a socket. You can actually buy this tool, but I'm using a big socket on one side and a small little impact socket on the other side to press it through. It's nice to have a big old vise kicking around in your arsenal, especially when you don't have a press. You won't be able to see that, but right in the scrap bin. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, the cores are bare. I'll get them cleaned up, deburred, ready to reassemble. And that's what the shaft looks like. What's inside it. They came out. Rocker bodies are all clean, deburred, and a thin film of oil where we're going to be pressing the bearings in. First thing you do, make sure you see where the writing is on one side of the bearing. I put that on the cloth so it's pointing up. Same with the other side. I start the race. So it just touches. I'm not squeezing the body at all. Put the trunnion in. I put my finger in it so it doesn't drop all the way through. It sticks up a little bit to be able to start the next race. Put the next race on. Assembly washer. If you're doing this in the press, you could probably use both assembly washers at once. Just a little bit till it stops. Now I could put a washer on both sides. Don't have to worry about alignment issues because the trunnion shaft is sticking through both sides now. Squeeze it till the washers touch the body. Done. It's that easy, guys. Put the snap rings on after. We'll do one more. Make sure the writing is up. The race just started in the body. This is a soft jaw vise. No serrations or teeth. Trunnion body straight up and down. Next bearing. One washer. You're only going to go a tiny little bit. Touches. Push the shaft over just a little bit so that the washer will catch. Of course, the shaft moved over on me. Boom, to the washers touch. We'll be finishing these up by putting snap rings on the outside. Next, I'll get the snap rings on. Here's the kit. 13702. And I installed all the snap rings pointing down.